TikTok is a massive, massive platform. There are heaps of amazing influencers on there that can help you make much more money in your store. But how the hell do you go about finding these bloody influencers so they can start promoting your product for you? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find TikTok influencers. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you make more money, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, because that way I will know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. And if you've got any questions for me or comments, comment below and I'll answer them personally for you. With that being said, let's get into TikTok. Now, the other big influencer-led platform is TikTok. Oops, let's get over that. Let's go to this one instead. TikTok is mostly full, I don't know if it's just my TikTok feed, mostly full of young ladies doing exercises. What on earth does that tell you? Certainly about my feed anyway. Anyway, so I was absolutely late to the TikTok party, but it is without a doubt an incredible platform. And you may just think it's full of 18 to 24-year-olds, but it isn't. It's massive now. It's actually over December, it had more traffic than YouTube. TikTok had more traffic than YouTube in December, which is just insane, just insane. Anyway, so how do you use this? How do you find people on here? So what you want to go to, I think, is TikTok Discover. And this will bring you here. And now you can go and find accounts that match what you're looking for. Same again. So if I look for cavoodles, blink. Oh, Victoria just passed 3,000. Yeah. Like what in Facebook and Insta used to be. Absolutely. So now I've got all of my cavoodle accounts. Okay. And again, I can also, of course, look for, oops, my little search string with Australia in it as well. Australia. I can also go look for that as well, okay? Same. Let's see if it works this way. Dum. 3 results for that. Let's just get rid of the word DM because that's not very often in there. There you go. So now I can use the same thing, the same search string to find them on TikTok as well, or I can use the search discover function within TikTok to find them and then find great people to do collaborations with. These are, I think, very, like for a lot of products, it ought to form a big part and parcel of your marketing strategy to have people out there who are influencers doing things for you, especially if you have got a Shopify store. Why? Pretty simple. SEO. SEO is how you will ultimately get a lot of search traffic to your Shopify store, but that takes time to build up. A really quick way to ramp that up is with social signals, what's called social signals. And a really quick way to get a ton of social signals is to use influencers to post your link about your deals, what you're collabing with them on their profiles. You get a shitload of traffic, you'll get a shitload of social signals, your SEO big boost. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and I will see you on the inside. Until then, bye!